A little girl walks up and asks for Adele's Set Fire to the Rain. But no one expected what happened next. The little girl was Victoria Nicole, who is the winner of Voice Kids 2024 and second place in Junior Eurovision 2024 for Portugal. Watch how she stuns the entire supermarket.
That was the last time, the last time. Let it down.
Congrats, amazing.